So we're just doing a little walkthrough through Michelle's house, with all the stuff.
That's a new artist too, Krishna.
There's Willie. Oh, and here's the books. The one that is out of print, sort of.
Yeah, well, I mean, you know, I've had 5 people want to buy them. I should probably just order out a bunch of them. But, you know.
We are unsure as to the number of these guys we have in the house, apparently.
Yeah. Well.
Oh, he looks threatening, doesn't he?
Yes. Danger to Sinji. That's right. I need to bring these to cinema.
Oh my goodness! So just keep going. Okay.
So that's like a little video, huh?
Yeah, sure.
I want me to put Daniel's shoes away.
Oh yeah. You've been caught on camera anyways.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one I really like. Look at those D's. Oh wow. There's also many good ones. And there's more way over there too.
Oh yeah. They're everywhere.
Okay, and then there's a fantastic backyard backdrop there. Chase you around here, Michelle. Just keep on going.
There's the chicken with her portrait.
Oh yeah, right, there's the chicken. There she is. And there's Gary's knife sharpening sign.
With his kukri sign, his kukri rum cigarette pack.
Here's the chicken's new buddies. Hi guys. Just hanging out.
Yeah. So come on out and I'll show you the backyard.
Okay.